Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to cancel a Venmo account. In today's video, I'll show you how to cancel your Venmo account. First, keep in mind that you can close your account either from a computer browser or directly in the Venmo app. From a browser, simply sign in, go to your account settings, click Close My Venmo Account at the bottom of the page. If you're using the app, tap the Me tab, then the Settings gear, select Account under Preferences, and tap Close Venmo Account. Make sure to transfer any remaining funds to your bank account or return them to the sender, as closing the account will automatically move your money. Also, ensure any pending transactions are resolved before proceeding. Once your account is closed, you'll receive a final transaction history email for your records. Remember, you need to be logged in to close your account, so reset your password if necessary. And that's it. Your Venmo account is officially closed. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.